Hello everybody, Mike here. So we have the very cool Mercedes Maybach just delivered. You can see my baby was very excited the second it got here. He wanted to get it set up. So here it is, unboxed, right? We have the steering wheel, the rims, Mercedes emblem. Very nice looking steering wheel, has a horn. There's C, a little extra tire in the back. He's ready to drive this thing. So here are some of the accessories of sorts. There's a controller. You can control it yourself or your child can control it. Right there is plug, charge it, directions for the steering wheel. Some of the features, it has 3 different speeds. It has an auxiliary port. There's USB. You can play music. There's high bright LED lights on the front, right? So you can drive it at night, and also there are cool looking lights at the bottom. There's a windshield, pops right into place. There is like a little storage luggage section in the back if you want to put something in there, and then it does actually have locks for the doors, right? So you can see pop those red little locks back, and then you can open the door and pop it right back into place, and that's where you charge it. So go ahead and get this thing set up and ready to ride. So to connect the controller, you want to have the car off and then press the forward and backwards button on the remote for 3 seconds, and then you turn the car back on, and then it should sync. It does not sync automatically when you turn the car on and you put the batteries in. Alright, so he's buckled in, ready to go for a ride. I got the music, Bluetooth settings there, the blue lights, very cool. A little music while you're riding. You can flip the headlights on and off. So it is time to ride. Backyard is kind of a mess right now, so don't mind that.